Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is one of the important scenario type question. The important scenario type question is mainly basically string split. So we had to use the string split and to sum up the marks. Okay, so let's look into the scenario. Scenario is so you have a table with students' names in one column and their marks as comma separated value in other column. You need to take sum of those marks and display the result. So for this, uh, they mentioned as student names in one column. Here I will try to write with select star from student marks. If I do, okay. So the query is student names in one column, okay, this one, and marks has comma separated value in other column. So this is the marks. You need to take sum of those marks. So this sum of those marks and display the result. So for this, I have considered as this student table. So student ID, student name, and marks. But the twist is marks are only this separated with the comma. So you have inserted with some sample data right here. 75, 85, 75 comma, 85 comma, 90. Similarly, 88 comma, 92 comma, 79. Okay. Now we'll try to write with this query. By using string split, we have to do this one. So first I need to write with the column names straight away student ID, comma, student name, comma. Here we'll write with marks. So that is sum of marks. Okay. So sum of marks as total marks. Okay. And next group by. So which columns I need to group by? These two columns. Group by student ID and student name. If I execute, is that working? No, because of the problem is here. If you look into the column marks, that is separated with the comma. So that is not a integer part. So sum of marks is not working here. So for this, we had to apply with this one called as sum of marks. We had to write with cast function. So cast of value as int. Okay. Now I will close this one int value function and this one as the total marks. So group by OK. If I execute this, right now also I'm getting the value. So there is no column value. So where this column value called as, we had to apply with this column as the value to create the column. So this we had to split and to execute the separate lines. First it will break the separate lines by using comma. So by using comma, first I will mark this as comment and apply with here cross apply. Okay. So first I will try to write with the string split of marks. So the delimiter is comma. Okay. So I'll write as comma. String split marks. Okay. If I execute this part, marks is not a recognized table. Okay. So here we had to apply with, instead of string split, we had to write with cross apply also. Cross apply. And if we look into this part, okay. So how we are getting? The string is to be splitted, right? John Doe, John Doe, John Doe, 3 times. So because of 3 delimiters, okay. And now we have to try with group by. Okay, we are getting unique records after applying the group by. Now what we have to do, if we apply with the sum of cast of this value as total marks. So if I execute this one, cast, sum of cast, comma is missing here. Okay. Okay. So now I will get with the total marks. So total marks called as in the this one. First, for example, this one is 75 plus 85 plus 90, 250, John Doe. Okay. So this way we will try to execute with if any separated with comma values, we had to apply with the cross apply string split function. So how this query is to be working called as so basically first this cross apply is so cross apply string split of marks, delimiter is the comma. So first, what is the string split? So string split function takes a string and a delimiter. So in this case, the delimiter is the comma and splits the string into rows. So this, for example, this first row, 75, 85, 90. So it will split as so. For example, here I will show you 75, next 85, next 90. So this way it can split the string into rows. Okay. Next, cross apply. So what is this cross apply called as? So this is used to join the original table. Okay. So original table called as that is the student marks with the result of string split. So for each row in student marks, it generates multiple rows, one for each value produced by string split. Okay. Next, cast function. So this sum of cast of value as int. So value called as the column produced by string split. So this string split will produce the column called as value. So that value we are mentioned in the sum of value. Okay. So which contains the individual marks as strings. And cast, you know the cast. So it converts with the string values into integers. And sum. So sum is adds up all the converted integer values to give the total marks for each student. Next, group by. So group by we know. So it is grouping the values based on student ID and student name. Okay. So the same to student ID, student name, and I have given in the select class also. So this way it will work as the string split function. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation is clear. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.